Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're doing a quick review on Total Password. Now, Total Password has to do with generating and safely storing your unique passwords. Put in mind at ease by storing all of your personal login credentials and passwords in an easy to access secure password vault. It's compatible with your browser. So cybersecurity focused password management, that is Total Password. It generates unique passwords at sign up, autofill passwords at website login, sync passwords across multiple devices. You can install Total Password for Opera. It's your first line of defense against hackers and identity theft. Total Password uses advanced encryption to protect all of your password data and payment information. It's also available for Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Safari. Start protecting your online identity with their range of features. They have device sync, breach alert, remote logout. They can generate unique passwords, store credit cards details, and autofill option. So what are you waiting for? Give Total Password a try today by clicking on Login.